When it comes to home financing, richmondcustomhomes.com keeps it clear and simple. A renovation loan allows you to purchase a home and finance the repairs or upgrades all in one single mortgage, instead of taking out a separate loan later. This is a powerful option if you find a home in Richmond that needs updates, remodeling, or even major repairs. Rather than draining your savings after closing, the cost of improvements is built into your loan amount, and funds are released as renovation work is completed. Popular options like the FHA 203K, backed by the Federal Housing Administration, or conventional renovation programs, give buyers flexibility depending on their credit profile and goals. Renovation loans can cover projects such as kitchen remodels, roof replacements, flooring updates, structural repairs, and more. The home's future value after improvements is often considered in the approval process, which can increase your buying power. With proper planning, contractor estimates, and expert guidance, you can transform a fixer-upper into your dream home while building equity from day one. If you want to customize your space without taking on multiple loans, a renovation loan may be the smart solution. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.